Welcome to third part of this video series, neural network implementation and simulation of Simio. So in previous video, we set the model input triggers and all and generated training data. So now we are going to train our simulation model. For this purpose, we'll click on train. Okay, you can see here the graph for training, validation and test. So there are 12 hidden nodes. Okay, maximum epochs are 1000, and now we are going to start training. So you can visualize the training process over here. Okay, you can see our model is being trained, and this is the training percentage of model. So I am going to fast forward the video and going to complete the training of model. So you can see the data for each epoch. Let's suppose for this epoch number, epoch number 12, training MSC is 2.04, validation MSC, mean square error, and test mean square error. So you can visualize on this graph the training process of feed-forward neural network model. Okay, I'm going to fast forward the training process. Okay, so training of our neural network model is completed. You can see training results over here. Training time, it took 31 minutes. So I'm going to save and close. Now let's implement Simio. Let's implement neural network in Simio model and check the results. Either these results are same or different. If results are different, then neural network is working properly. So let's copy this model and make its duplicate copy so that we can compare the standard simulation results with neural network. So now let's implement neural network. What we'll do, we will select input nodes of all the servers. Okay, let's select input nodes all the servers and select smallest value first, and in entry ranking expression we'll select neural network predicted value, and then we'll select entity and okay. Now let's run first standard model and check number of display job 3972. Now let's check after implementing Simio. After implementing your network. Okay, the number of display job is same. Now we have till now only implemented on input nodes. So now let's implement ranking rule on server also. So let's select the four servers, change value to smallest value, and then select neural network, then predicted value, and entity. Okay, now let's run the simulation and check results. Okay, you can see the number of dispatch job has increased 40,6,900. In a standard simulation it was 3,972, while after implementing neural network the number of dispatch job is 44,6,900, and the schedule utilization is 47 CNC1, 62 CNC2, CNC3 is 81, and 90% CNC4. While in a standard model, the schedule utilization of servers is okay. This is the schedule utilization for servers in a standard model with first in, first out dispatch rule. This is first in, first out dispatch rule. So this is how to implement neural network in simulation model. Built in neural network model. You can also implement other machine learning models by exporting training data from here. You can generate training data. This is training data generated. Then you can export this data in CSV file. You can save like save. I'm going to save this data on desktop tutorial. This is let's say neural network training data. Okay, so data is saved in CSV file. So this is data saved. Okay, you can train simulation model. Sorry, you can train a neural network model in any Python software or MATLAB software, then convert it into ONNX format, and then import that model, trained model, and trained on data exported from here. You can implement that model in the simulation model and check the results. So I'll make another video on ONX file and how to train the model and convert it into ONNX file and then implement in Simio. So if you like the video and you understood the neural network, how to implement, how to build the model, how to implement neural network, and how to compare the results, then please like and follow my channel. And if you have any query and you want to clarify, then you can leave your question, your query in the comments. Thank you.